Welcome to this comprehensive guide on common issues with Google Analytics segments. Google Analytics segments are a powerful tool that allows you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users, helping you better understand your website traffic and behavior. However, many users encounter issues when creating and using segments, which can lead to inaccurate insights and poor decision-making. First, let's define what Google Analytics segments are. Segments are subsets of your website traffic that share common characteristics, such as demographics, behavior, or technology. By applying segments, you can filter your data to focus on specific groups of users, allowing you to analyze their behavior and optimize your marketing strategies accordingly. One common issue with Google Analytics segments is incorrect configuration. When creating a segment, it's essential to carefully select the correct criteria and settings to ensure that you're capturing the right data. For example, if you want to analyze traffic from a specific country, you need to select the correct country code and language settings. Another common issue is overlapping segments. When you create multiple segments with similar criteria, they may overlap, causing duplicate data and inaccurate insights. To avoid this, make sure to use mutually exclusive criteria when creating segments. For instance, if you have a segment for desktop traffic and another for mobile traffic, ensure that they don't overlap by using the correct device categories. Data sampling is another issue that can affect the accuracy of your segments. Google Analytics uses data sampling to reduce the amount of data processed, which can lead to inaccurate results. To minimize data sampling, try to use smaller date ranges and more specific segment criteria. Additionally, consider using the unsampled reports feature, which provides more accurate data, but may take longer to process. Best practices for using Google Analytics segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they're still relevant and accurate. It's also essential to use clear and descriptive names for your segments, making it easier to identify and analyze them. Furthermore, consider using the segment template gallery, which provides pre-built segments for common use cases, such as analyzing traffic from social media or email campaigns. In conclusion, Google Analytics segments are a powerful tool for analyzing website traffic and behavior. By understanding common issues such as incorrect configuration, overlapping segments, and data sampling, you can create accurate and actionable insights to inform your marketing strategies. Remember to follow best practices, such as regularly reviewing and updating your segments, using clear and descriptive names, and leveraging the segment template gallery. By doing so, you'll be able to unlock the full potential of Google Analytics segments and make data-driven decisions to drive your business forward.